India's Supreme Court says watching court proceedings is your constitutional right. And this week, the Delhi High Court told social media platforms to take down videos of one specific hearing. See, both can be true at the same time, and that is where the core story lies. Here's what has actually happened in the last 2 weeks. On April 13th, Arvind Kejriwal appeared before Delhi High Court Justice Swarana Kanta Sharma in the liquor excise policy case and sought her recusal, citing that her two children are empaneled as central government counsel. In his application, Kejriwal also noted that the lower court order discharging him had been stayed by Justice Sharma at the first hearing itself, even before notice had been served on the 23 individuals. On April 20th, Justice Sharma rejected the recusal plea, citing that empanelment of judges' children as government counsel can't be a basis for recusal. She also said the High Court, not the litigant, decides the competence of a judge. And 10 days after the recusal hearing video went viral, a separate Delhi High Court bench ordered all social media platforms to take down all the videos. See, the bench also issued contempt notices to Kejriwal, AAP leaders, Digvijaya Singh, and journalist Ravish Kumar. See, let's take a look at the bigger picture for a second. In 2018, the Supreme Court ruled in Swapnil Tripathi versus Union of India that live streaming of a court proceeding is part of the right to access justice under Article 21. The constitutional bench actually called it a fundamental right. And since 2022, the Supreme Court live streams constitution bench hearings. Delhi High Court has its own live streaming rules from 2023. And the same rules that allow live streaming also prohibits unauthorized recordings. The takedown order is consistent with those rules for that matter. But whether the order's scope matches the Article 21 principle, that is something now being heard again by the same court. See, open court is the principle, selective takedown is the practice, and the gap is where Indian citizens find out what their rights actually mean.